Ready to learn Bahasa Melayu with Abdusalam. Abdusalam, I'm going to teach you 2 words today, okay? Are you ready?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, I will teach you saya, then I will teach you nama. These are the 2 words I'm teaching you today. Alright? Now, you say saya nama. Saya means I am. Then nama means
My name.
So if you want to join the 2 together, you say
Saya nama.
saya nama. You say nama saya.
Nama saya.
Nama saya.
Nama.
Then what do you say? Abdul Salam. If your name is Abdul Samad, what do you say?
Nama saya Abdul Samad.
If your name is Abdul Muiz, what do you say?
Nama saya Abdul Muiz.
If your name is Sharif, what do you say?
Nama saya Sharif.
Okay, these are the 2 words I'm teaching you today. What's the first word I'm teaching you today?
Saya.
What's the second word I'm teaching you today?
Nama.
Nama. Nama saya Abdul Salam.
Nama saya Abdul Salam.
Say it 5 times.
Nama saya Abdul Salam.
Louder.
Nama saya Abdul Salam. Nama saya Abdul Salam. Nama saya Abdul Salam. Nama saya Abdul Salam.
Can you say saya nama Abdul Salam?
No.
No. Okay. Bye. High five.
Ouch.
Okay. Good boy. Bye.